on the equity markets. The Nifty has witnessed a volatile trading session today. It traded within a range of around 80 points, 8720 on the downside and 8800 on the upside, and ended the day on a positive note, up 7 points for the day. The market breadth was however negative, with 550 advances to 922 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, ONGC, Reliance, Tata Motors, Bharti Airtel, Tata Steel, Kain India were some of the losers in today's trading session, while Hindustan Unilever, ITC, L&T, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Maruti were some of the stocks which closed in the positive today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that the Nifty has closed around that 20-day simple moving average. This 20-day simple moving average is a very crucial level, and that is why intraday we saw very volatile action around that area. The bulls and bears both were trying to force their power, and ultimately at the end of the day the Nifty managed to close in the positive just by 7 points. It is a very crucial level, and hence we are seeing this intraday volatility. However, our sense is that this intraday volatility was just a part of a sideways consolidation that can be observed on this hourly chart. On the hourly chart, you can observe that there was sideways consolidation. However, on the upside, it faced resistance at the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages. And once that was touched, or that was achieved, the resistance or the selling pressure once again emerged from that level, and the Nifty gave a sharp fall, sharp intraday fall. However, at the end of the day, there was just a mild pullback which helped the Nifty close in the positive for the day. However, our sense is that there is no real sign of trend reversal as of now, so we continue to maintain a negative stance on Nifty for a target of 8550 on the downside. For the Nifty, crucial supports are placed at 8726, which is today's low, and below that 8626, which is the 40-day moving average. On the upside, 8805, which is around this 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, and above that 8856 shall act as crucial resistances. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has continued its downward momentum. It has closed in the negative for the fourth trading session, below the 40-day moving average. No real signs of trend reversal, so trend continues to remain down. On the downside, crucial supports are placed at 18,737 and 18,400. On the upside, 19,040 and 19,310 are crucial resistances. So overall, friends, our view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain negative. Today, the Nifty saw some volatile trading action as it was close to that 20-day simple moving average, which is a crucial level. So that is the reason why we might just have seen the volatile trading intraday action. However, there is no real kind of trend reversal, so we continue to maintain our negative stance on Nifty for a target of 8550 on the downside. That's all for the day. Thank you.